What's up everybody, my name's Luke Martin. I'm a Canadian YouTuber, traveler, and seafood lover. And today I'm making a video about the top 5 Taiwanese seafoods. There is an abundance of seafoods available here in Taiwan, fresh and delicious with a wide variety. So I'm going to be taking you around the seafood market here to show you my top 5 favorite seafoods to try in Taiwan. Make sure if you haven't already to subscribe to Taiwan Plus's YouTube channel. Let's go eat some seafood. Number 5 on the top 5 seafoods in Taiwan is this guy right here, squid. You can have it in a lot of different ways. In the West, we like to have calamari, fried squid, but one of my favorite ways to have it, and one of the quickest ways to eat it, street food style, is grilled squid. So grilled squid is a popular Taiwanese street food and one of my favorites for seafood street foods. And this little stall is making it up fresh, grilled with a little bit of sesame on top and some, you can order it with spice or not spice. And you can see the entire squid flattened out like that. Tentacles, whole body. Let's give it a try. Oh, it gets nice and soft when they cook it like that. It's super smoky too, with a couple little burnt ends, a little bit spicy, and they've also put some white pepper on there too. Still has that typical squid bounciness texture to it. Oh, actually that's really good. Let's try some of these tentacles. Yum. They're almost caramelized. It tastes like, oh, that's good. Yum.